Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. My name is Heston the Quickest, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add iPhone ringtone on your Android phone. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser, any browser of your choice. So after that you search for iPhone ringtone MP3 download. Alright, after that you search and you tap on the first tab over here, and after that you scroll down and this is the iPhone ringtone over here. You can tap play to hear how it sounds like. Okay, we are going to go ahead and tap on download MP3. I'm going to pause it and I'm going to tap on this three dot over here and I'm going to tap on download. Alright, quickly it will start downloading, and when it's done downloading, all you need to do is to open your settings app. So after opening your settings app, it doesn't matter the kind of phone you're using, all you need to do is to search for ringtone. After searching for ringtone, you tap on the first option. After that, I'm going to scroll down to phone ringtone. So over here we have other ringtone. I'm using Google Pixel, so we have other ringtones over here, but you can tap on my sounds. So after that, I'm going to tap on this plus icon and I'm going to choose the iPhone ringtone that I just downloaded. So after choosing, you can see it's been added now. All I need to do is to tap on save. Alright, depending on the kind of Android phone you're using, as long as you come to this place, you'll figure it out. But since I'm using Google Pixel, this is the way to do it easily. So after that, let us test how our ringtone sounds like. So that's it guys. Anytime someone calls you, this is the ringtone that you're going to have. Alright, if the video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.